All cells are filled with blank, a jelly-like fluid that helps the cell stay alive. Cytoplasm, chloroplasts, nucleus, mitochondria. Blank are the organelles in a cell that convert food into energy. Cytoplasm, chloroplasts, nucleus, mitochondria. Blank allow plants to make their own food. Cytoplasm, chloroplasts, nucleus, mitochondria. The blank is called the cell's command center. Cytoplasm, vacuoles, nucleus, mitochondria. Blank are places to store supplies like water until the cell needs them. Cytoplasm, vacuoles, nucleus, mitochondria.